So why should you buy the iPad instead of a laptop? Let's just get started with this. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you won't miss videos like this one. Essentially, the iPad is not a laptop, and there is a reason why people specifically go for iPad instead. And the main and major reason is the touchscreen as well as the Apple Pencil. Like, iPads, based on what I see, is mostly used or enjoyed by creative people, or a lot of people who use Apple Pencil for drawing or writing down notes and whatnot. And obviously this cannot be done on the laptop, so this is one of the biggest reasons why people just buy and go for iPads instead. Another one is that with the Magic Keyboard, the iPad can sort of behave like a computer, but you can detach it and grab just the display, so you don't have to have the keyboard with you at all times, which is not possible on a regular laptop, right? So there are more reasons why people go for the iPad, as you can see. Keep in mind that, of course, the software and apps are going to be much more powerful and professional on the laptop. Like iPad, I don't believe that it still can replace the MacBooks or Windows laptops, but if you like that experience of touching the actual glass and screen with your fingers, not just with a pointer device, then iPad is definitely the right option for you. And of course, speaking of the iPad and iPad OS 26, well, right now it looks even more like a computer. A bunch of new features have been brought over from the macOS, like the ability for extended multitasking and even the menu bar. It looks almost identical to the Mac computers. The full screen, minimize and close buttons look exactly like on a Mac, so it's getting closer to the computer experience while still keeping it as the iPad with a touchscreen with a great display. And it might be the option for a lot of people. No, it will not fully replace it. There are people who still need computers and stuff, but if you like the experience of the iPad, you'll be able to get most things done that you would do on a laptop. So let me know your experience below. Let me know which model specifically you are deciding between. I'm kind of curious to know about that, but thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and explanations like this one.